Hey, it's Jamila from Buy Pink, and I'm back with another tutorial. Today we are making rolled fabric roses. First, let me tell you about how I made my roses double-sided. I will link another video that shows you exactly how to do it, but I used two different pieces of fabric and some heat and bond. For this project, you're also going to need a hot glue gun and glue sticks. I already cut out all of my roses, so let's get started. You're going to use a pair of needle nose tweezers, and you're going to roll your flower inward. You just got to figure out basically the best angle for you, because you want to keep the bottom pretty even together to give more of a rose feel and look. As you roll, push the bottom up because it will, I don't know, slide, not really slide down, but when you're rolling, it doesn't always it's not always even. You want to make sure it's lined up properly. But what I like to do as I am rolling my flowers is put a little glue dot just to kind of hold it, but at the same time, I don't want it to be held too tightly. I roll pretty tight, but I don't want it to be too tight. Once you get it started, you can always let the plier or tweezers go and continue to roll with your fingers to kind of get the look and feel that you want to. These flowers are amazing for decorating photo frames or even a non-traditional wedding bouquet or corsage or boutonniere. Anything you want, anything that you would use natural flowers or fabric flowers for, these are a great alternative to that. And don't forget to check the description so that you can grab the free file. And then you just close it at the bottom. If you wanted to add something more to it, you definitely could add a stem or whatever you like. But here I am showing you a couple more times in the time lapse how to roll those flowers. Thank you for watching.